And now a shop profile featuring Memory Lane Resto Rod. This is a restoration facility based in Kentbridge, Ontario. The owner-operator is Derek Willemsen. Meet Derek Willemsen, the owner and operator of Memory Lane Resto Rod. Derek has a passion for old cars. And that love of old cars and automotive history extends right through every aspect of Memory Lane Resto Rod, a full-service automotive maintenance and restoration facility.
I've always liked old cars and stuff like that. I always figured I'd build one for myself one day.
So here you are building them for everybody.
Yep, and not one for myself anymore.
It doesn't matter if you're into old school collector cars or today's tuner cars. If you're an automotive enthusiast, you'll be welcomed with open arms here at Memory Lane because they truly do it all. They have the know-how and the skills needed to work on everything from carburetors to the newest computer-controlled fuel management systems. This business has a rich history in itself that dates all the way back to 1979. That's when the original owner, Ray Ouellette, began working for RM Restorations, one of the most respected restoration facilities in the world. When Ray retired from RM, he decided to open an automotive collectibles business, and soon restoration became the cornerstone of that business. Shortly after, they hired Derek Willemsen. Sadly, Ray Ouellette passed away just a few short years after opening Memory Lane. Derek purchased the business. Today, the vintage car restoration business continues to thrive under Derek Willemsen's ownership and guidance. Recently, Derek moved Memory Lane into a new building in Kentbridge, Ontario. It's a one-stop shop for automotive enthusiasts. They can tackle any job from simple automotive tune-ups to concours-quality classic car restorations.
Everything from small mechanical repairs to full nut and bolt restoration.
Fiberglass repairs, rotisserie restoration services, award-winning automotive upholstery work, welding, fabrication for street rods and classic cars, auto body and paint. It's all done right here on site, including mechanical services and even collector car appraisals for insurance purposes.
Try to go top quality all the time, pretty much. Just, again, depends on the customer. Some people just want a nice driver. Some people want a top-tier show car.
Because they can handle virtually any project that comes their way, other world-class automotive restoration facilities, including RM, continue to work with Memory Lane Resto Rod. They'll team up and collaborate on high-end automotive builds and restorations. And working with the world's best restoration experts keeps the Memory Lane Resto Rod crew at the top of their game. Check out their website. Browse through the restoration gallery at mlresto.com. And you'll see dozens of show-quality automotive restorations. Many are award winners, with some being recognized at leading concours events in Canada and the United States. Derek says for everyone at Memory Lane Resto Rod, every single day is a labor of love while they're working to restore and preserve collector cars. And he says it's an ongoing tribute to Ray Ouellette, the founder of this business. And it's an expression of pride. Derek says each project preserves memories for another customer who leaves with more than just a properly built and restored car. He says each collector car client that comes through his doors knows they've become part of the Memory Lane Resto Rod family.
A lot of cars are memories for some people, hence the name Memory Lane.
For the Autos 360 Network and SST, I'm Rick Walker.